and welcome to today's video. So if you're new to the channel, then hi, I am Nikki and I make content based on beauty, lifestyle, vlogs and hauls. So today's video, I guess you know by the title that today I'm gonna talk about hand creams. Now since the pandemic has hit us, hand creams have become like a necessity to us. With us constantly using hand sanitizers, hand wash, hand cream भी एक necessity बन चुका है. पहले ये नहीं था. पहले people used to keep, if they really had problems with their hand being rough or dry, not getting moisture. बट अब क्योंकि हम लोग हैंड सैनिटाइजर्स और हैंड वॉश इतना लगातार यूज़ कर रहे हैं कि our hands are now bound to get rough and maybe the skin can get really dry and rough and patchy and none of us want that. So there are hand creams for that. If you don't know, then hand creams obviously give moisture and hydration to your hands and they keep them soft and supple. Hand cream should go hand in hand. Okay, that's weird. So hand cream should go along with the hand sanitizer. It's not, of course, important. Feel the need because of the hand sanitizers. You can definitely go and purchase a hand cream. So today's video I've tried to keep all of the hand creams under budget for you, and whichever budget suits you, whichever price range suits you, you can go ahead and purchase that hand cream. So the first hand cream that I have here is from Nivea. Now this one is Nivea's hand cream in refreshing glycerine and aloe vera. This was for 90 rupees and this is 75 ml or 75 grams as you would like to call it. Now Nivea is a brand that is German based and they have a product line about cold creams and moisturizers, and they also have a product line that is just for men, and that's a great thing क्योंकि market में बहुत सारे product नहीं होते हैं जो basically men के लिए बने हों. I feel skincare is not gender biased, it is for everyone. Everyone should have the right to have a skincare regime for themselves, and इसलिए people who are introducing more of products that are related to men and just particularly for men, that's a great thing. Now talking about this product here, this is how it looks. Now when I massage it into my hands, it gets absorbed in few seconds. You will see it right now. There you go. It gets massaged into your hands really quickly, and this may look thick to you, but it is not thick. This is very lightweight. It has a really good fragrance, harsh, not too mild. Okay for you, and the cream is very lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy. It will keep your hands hydrated and moisturized for a very long time. The brand claims this to give you 24 hours moisturization, but I personally believe there is nothing as 24-hour moisturization. That is a myth because our hands are those body part that basically is constantly doing some or the other activity. Our hands don't rest most of the time. I think to stay for 24 hours is not possible because your hands are constantly doing some work. You have to of course reapply it, but that doesn't mean it degrades the value of the product. Talking about its ingredients, glycerine and aloe vera. Now what is glycerine? Glycerine is glycerol, which is a natural compound that is found in vegetable oils. So basically a humectant is a type of moisturizing agent that draws moisture from the deeper levels of your skin and air to the outer layer of your skin, that is stratum corneum, and gives you the moisture and hydration. Talking about aloe vera, of course most of us have an aloe vera plant at our home. We use a lot of aloe vera in our DIY home mask, that can be for your face, that can be for your hair. Of course aloe vera is a great product when it comes to herbal remedies. Good healing property, calming property, soothing property, and it does give you the moisture. General knowledge fact here that there are estimated 420 species of aloe vera, and the most commonly that is used for skin condition is known as Aloe barbadensis Miller. So overall this is really good. It will keep your hands smooth and supple. This is travel friendly also, and for 90 bucks this is a lot of product. The product that I have here is from Body Care. It's their hand and body lotion with almond oil. Now talking about Body Care, this is a made in India brand. They say that they produce really highly effective products and this is cruelty free, 100% vegan, and they claim that they have non-allergic perfumes and fragrances. Now before I proceed talking about this one, I just want to tell that there is a bit of mishap between the ingredient list that I saw on the website and that I see on this product here. So please strictly keep this to your hands or your palms. It has really worked well on my hands and palms, so I'm gonna give guarantee for that. But for the face, I don't know, so I'm gonna tell you to avoid the face area. Now talking about this product, this is a pink liquid here. This is a pink liquid here. This is looking thick, and actually this is thick. This is a thick cream that you will apply on your hand, but this gets absorbed really well onto your skin, and once it's inside you won't feel the heaviness. This feels very lightweight. It takes a minute or so to get absorbed into your skin, but it's very non-oily, non-greasy, works really well. Actually, I was surprised with this product. I didn't think it would work so well. And talking about the ingredient, this has almond oil. Now almond oil are nutritional powerhouses. Almond oil are full of vitamin E. They have anti-inflammatory properties. They can help you even your complexion and skin tone. Highly emulient, which means they can balance the absorption of moisture and water loss. And vitamin E helps in reducing signs of aging, with sunburns, and this has powerful antifungal properties, which makes it really good for the skin. So that makes this product really good. Having almond oil, it will keep your hands nourished and hydrated. So I would suggest you to purchase this one, but again, don't apply it on your face. This is travel friendly. Wherever you go, you can take it with you along with the hand sanitizer. For 89 rupees, but I got this for 80 rupees. This product that I have here is from Blossom Kosher. It's their Aroma Magic Nourishing Hand Cream. This one, I really love the packaging. This is such a cute package here. This was for 175, but I got it for 149 rupees. So the packaging has a place where it's written about all its ingredients and all about its effectiveness and what it claims it doesn't have. So I'll just read it out for you. This says I am 100% free of parabens, petrochemicals, phthalates, toxic ingredients, artificial coloring and fragrances. And this is packed with goodness of aloe vera gel, organic shea butter and natural beeswax. And this tends to soften and moisturize your skin. This has extracts of clary sage and wheat along with carrot seed oil that nourishes your hands and the nails. This has a powerful blend of oils, that is rosehip, geranium, thyme, that helps in soothing your hands and gives you a youthful look. Talking about this product, this claims that it can treat the rough and dry hands. Now when you apply this on your hands, which I'll show you right now, this has a very light pink liquid here, and this takes a minute or so to get absorbed into your skin totally. It does take some time to get absorbed into your skin. Make your hand full of moisture and hydrated, and makes it soft and supple. This is a bit greasy but non-oily. It won't affect that much. Now talking about the fragrance, this has a peculiar fragrance. I mean, some of you may like it, some of you won't like it at all, but it isn't that strong that it will keep lingering around you. You actually take your palm close to your nose for taking the smell of that product. So the fragrance may be a bit okay or may not be okay for your personal liking. Talking about this, as it has shea butter. Shea butter has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties and healing properties. It soaks into your skin and it creates a smooth and soft barrier that seals the moisture inside your skin to keep your hands hydrated and full of moisture. And it also has antibacterial property, which makes this product good for your skin. It will give you the moisture that you require during winters or during summers. Just because of the fragrance, I'm a bit peculiar, but otherwise this is a great product. This is for all skin types, so if you think your budget lies somewhere between to purchase this one, then you can go ahead and buy this one. Next product that I have here is from Nykaa. It's their French lavender and honey nail and hand creme. About this one, I had purchased it a while back, I guess last year maybe, and that time I didn't have any other substitute and my hands were reacting in a weird way. I was getting little bumps, so I went ahead and purchased a hand cream for that one. So this is the French lavender and honey one. This is for rupees 275 and this is 30 ml. I know this is a bit pricey, but this has an excellent fragrance. You will love the fragrance. And the plus point is that this has a lot of variant in hand cream, so you can check that out on Nykaa. And this one is a bit thick. I'll show it to you now. This will look like a thick cream and it is a bit thick. It will definitely take some moments to get absorbed into your skin totally. It takes a minute or so to get absorbed into your skin totally. Has an excellent fragrance, but this is a bit greasy and a bit oily, but it won't affect that much, I guess. It is a bit greasy. It may, you know, bother you a little bit, but it keeps your hand moisturized and hydrated. It won't make them feel rough at all. That is a really good thing about it. Now talking about its ingredient, French lavender is basically a type of lavender that is found in the Mediterranean region. Lavender oils, gently nourish and moisture our skin, and it is very non-comedogenic for our pores. Lavender oil basically benefits our skins in a lot of ways. It also helps you to heal burns. Talking about comedogenic and non-comedogenic. Now basically, what is a non-comedogenic product? A non-comedogenic product is something that would avoid skin to get clogged pores or to get acne. These are those products that help us avoid clogged pores and acne, and comedogenic products will contribute to the clogged pores and acne. Now clogged pores basically are known as comedones, which contribute to pimples, blackheads, whiteheads. When you have clogged pores in your skin, that is the time bacteria gets, and it will contribute to blackheads and pimples on your skin, and no one wants that. No one wants acne. And lavender being a non-comedogenic product, it won't contribute in clogging your pores or building up any acne on your face. And it is very important that you use a non-comedogenic product, not just for oily or acne prone skin. Non-comedogenic products are a holy grail for oily and acne prone skin, but dry skin people should also keep that in mind. Talking about the other ingredient that it has is honey. Now honey is very beneficial in a lot of ways. You definitely use it for a lot of home remedies as well. Now raw honey is very beneficiary for the skin. It actually accelerates the skin cells healing properties, so your skin quickens up their healing process, so contributes to reducing inflammation on your skin. Overall, this product works well on your skin. It gives the moisture and hydration and has a beautiful smell. But then if your budget lies around purchasing this one, then go for it, or else you can skip this one, of course. So that was it for today's video. Here I suggested you 4 hand creams that will help you, in summers, in winters, to keep your hand nourished, soft and supple, and will not let the hand sanitizer do much of effect on your skin. I know it's not a necessity for most of the people, but for me it is, and I have been getting into hand creams a lot nowadays. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions for me to make videos more on budget friendly for you, maybe it can be on skincare or hair care, then do comment down below. I would love to do that for you. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.